Here we are fishing in the Chicago River North Side branch, trying to catch some crappie, bluegill, whatever hooks on. As you guys can see, the water is very low and it's very hot outside. Today we're using a crappie jig, and I'm out here with Clifford fishing today. Stay tuned for more fish. Here we are, guys. We're hooked on. We have a double. Clifford has a carp and I got a crappie. Cliff, record. How the fuck am I gonna record when I have a carp? See, we don't know what to do. He has a carp on, and I have a crappie. You wouldn't mind keep on recording? You wouldn't mind recording? Just trying. We have, guys. Nice crappie.
You know what you guys should have? A hook out and use barbless hooks. Like that, you don't hurt the fish.
You could just let the horse with a pliers.
Pardon? Here we got a clip hooked onto another crappie. Yeah.
There we go. Adrian got one right here. Crappie. Decent sized one. Adrian.
Nice crappie.
Nice crap.
Onto the
release.
Here we have Cliff now, just hooked onto another one. Another crappie. Oh, nice size.
Jig we're using. Chartreuse. Nice crappie.
You got it?
Okay, here's Adrian with another crappie. Nice little belly on it, nice and healthy. Black crappie, Chicago River, infertile release.